Hi guys, and welcome to the video. Today we are going to be looking at another YouTube critique video for jewellery maker Ami Hallgarth. If you do get something out of this YouTube critique video, remember to smash that like button. It does help the video get shown to more like-minded individuals. If you want to support my channel, hit subscribe, turn on notifications and all that jazz. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So we're here on the YouTube channel for Ami Hallgarth. And I can first of all see there is no cover photo for this channel, so that's something that she could add to the channel. The homepage layout is the default layout that comes with YouTube. If you wanted to change this, you wanted to head into the customize settings, you could add sections to your YouTube channel to look a little bit more appealing, add in different playlists and sections so people can navigate around your YouTube channel. We're here inside the videos tab and I can see there is 11 videos and they've been uploaded over the last 12 months. So what I've noticed from Ami's videos that all the videos are in portrait mode. They will be probably done on a mobile phone, but YouTube up until recently has been a landscape based video channel. Now what you can do with some of your portrait videos is to create shorts, but I'm going to tell you a little bit more about that later on in the video, so stick around. In the next section of Ami's channel there are no playlists whatsoever. Playlists can be a handy way to get people to your channel by having playlists such as how to create jewellery. That is a searchable title within YouTube. So we're here inside the about section of Ami's channel and the description is fairly minimal. This is something that could be improved on. If you would like to learn how to write a YouTube channel description including keywords and phrases, head to video in the card now. Also in the about section is a handy place to put different links. Now we've only got one link in this section which takes us to Ami's website. This is an ideal place that you could put stuff like your shop and other social media links. I'm here back on the home page and I can see that there are minimal tags for the channel. Now channel tags help you become found on YouTube. It tells YouTube what your channel is all about. Adding tags to your YouTube channel helps YouTube identify what you do and it also shows what you do to other people on YouTube. I've created a video just about this very topic, so if you want to check out my video on creating channel tags for your YouTube channel, head to the link up in the card now and check that out. Now that we've done a quick overview of Ami's channel, it's time to delve a little bit deeper into some of the video content. So I've arrived at one of Ami's videos and I've had a look at the content. The content's fantastic, but what is missing and what is stopping this video from being found is the fact that there is no suitable title, no tags, and not really a description. I have some content on video SEO, so if you want to head to that, it's up in the card now, but I will just briefly talk you through a few little tips that Ami could use on this video particularly to help get this video found on YouTube. From watching the video, I know this content in this video is about how to fit rings correctly, but without actually telling YouTube that's what it's about, nobody will actually find this video. There are three main places where you could put this information. Number one is in the title. You need to create a decent title so it hooks the audience and it tells people what the video is all about. The second tip I have is to use tags in the video SEO section of your YouTube video. I'm using TubeBuddy, so it shows me what tags have been used, and for this particular video there is no tags. Here's an example where I've used almost 500 characters and used all the tags possible for this one video. When you use tags, it also tells YouTube what the video is all about, and this is a great opportunity to bump up your SEO for this video. The next place you could add some keywords and phrases to help this video get found is in the description of the video. I recommend adding about 1 or 2 good paragraphs with some keywords and phrases tucked into that paragraph to help you get found on YouTube. Another quick tip for your video description would be to add handy links which link to a specific product which you are talking about in your videos. So if you were talking about a specific ring or some earrings or some bracelets or necklaces, you could link to those products in your description. So by adding links to the description, I'm able to guide people to different places, whether that be an affiliate link or even other videos on my channel. I'm here on another one of Ami's videos and I found that this may be a missed opportunity. With YouTube being such a platform that love unboxing videos, this could be an ideal time for having an unboxing video on this channel. In this video, Amy unboxes some Cookson products, so I would recommend adding the title Unboxing Cookson Products, adding that in the tags as well, and getting a description of this video all singing as well. Maybe even a link to some of the products that she's used with the Cookson delivery. My next tip for this channel would be to get really specific about who the people are you serve. Make videos for those people to specifically solve a problem. Now, there are videos on your channel, Amy, that do solve a problem and they do show people how to fit jewellery, but you could get even more specific about the different types of jewellery that they might be looking to have fitted. If you are making videos on a specific topic, such as bracelets or earrings, try and include that in your tags, your title and your description, and also create a playlist which will encase all these bits of content so people can search for a playlist as well. You may look to create playlists around weddings or special events such as engagements, and this will also give you a little boost when people are looking for certain content. A couple of topics that you may want to consider would be things like common mistakes when buying jewellery, how to pick the right size jewellery, how to pick jewellery for a partner, how to clean jewellery, how I started making jewellery. So that's more about a story of how you got into it and how you enjoy the processes and the different processes that you do as a jewellery designer and maker, and things you should know before you buy jewellery. So if someone's looking for a wedding ring or a certain piece for a certain occasion, so things you should know before you buy that certain piece of jewellery. One thing that I mentioned earlier, that all of Amy's videos are in portrait mode, mostly done on the phone. Up until recently, YouTube have been doing everything in landscape. Now, one of the new features of YouTube is to do YouTube Shorts. Now, what you're probably asking is, what is a YouTube Short? It is a less than 60-second video filmed in portrait mode, uploaded to YouTube and including a hashtag within the description, which is hashtag shorts. It is less than 60 seconds, so it's shown on a show reel, and this has been known to get more views and more subscribers for people who are using it. The reason for this, it is a new feature, and like all platforms, on a new feature, YouTube or other platforms like to push these new features as much as they can. I also follow Amy on Instagram, and some of the content that she puts out on Instagram is time lapses which are under a minute, which also do pretty well. So I would recommend, if you are doing time lapses, this is an ideal time to do a YouTube short video. If you've used YouTube short videos, please let me know in the comments and tell me about what experience you have with them. I'd love to know and find out a little bit more about your experience. So my last tip for Ami Hallgarth's jewellery channel would be to have a script when it comes to your videos. So when you come to your video, open your video and tell people what the video is going to be about, and have some call to actions tucked into the video as well. My call to actions for this video includes things like, if you like this video, please like and subscribe it, because it really helps the algorithm and shows people that this video is of high quality. If you want to support my channel, please hit the subscription button and turn on notifications. And that, to me, seems like a good place to end this video on my call to action. So as I say, if you have enjoyed the video and you have got something out of it, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, and I will see everybody in another video. Thanks for watching, guys.